Today I got two new DARON Worldwide Trading Incorporated die-cast airplanes for Christmas. First I got Turkish Airlines Boeing 777 and KLM Royal Dutch Airlines Boeing 787 Dreamliner. Here's the back of the packages. Shows you the concept art or stock image of the planes that are featured. Now it's time to open them up. So here's Turkish Airlines. Very nice looking die cast. Mostly metal, except for the wings and the turbines and the logos and windows, because the detailings on the sides are actually plastic stickers. It's got the Turkish Airlines symbol on the tail in red and white, and it's got the Turkish Airlines logo in blue lettering. Here's the bottom base. It's got a date stamp, 21/04/23, which means it was made on April 23rd of 2021. So this was made way early this year. And here is the KLM Boeing 787. It's colored blue and white. Kind of reminds me of the Turboloft from Cars 2. Do you remember Everett the Jet, who took Team Lightning to Japan for the World Grand Prix? Colors are just like that. It's got the KLM logo on the tail, and the fuselage are actually more like the engines, and also the sides here. The windows apparently are all white, which I really am disappointed that they made the windows all white instead of like gray or black. I still don't understand. I still don't get it. Why they made so DARON kind of made a mistake here. Well, it is what it is. I shouldn't complain too much. You can see it's got the Netherlands and EU flags on the sides, and it says Royal Dutch Airlines. Here's the other side, so you can take a look here. And here's the bottom base. Got a date stamp. It says 21/01/05, which either means it was made on May 1st of 2021 or January 5th of 2021. So it was made earlier this year. So that is it for my review of the two DARON planes. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this review, and feel free to thumbs up, like, subscribe. I mean, thumbs up is the same as like. Okay, so subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I hope you all enjoy a happy holidays and Merry Christmas, everybody.